Greetings from a rooftop in downtown Tokyo. So I'm up here today putting a air conditioner in. This air conditioner is going in a third floor bedroom, and it's a bit of a spot to put it. They didn't want it on the veranda because they want to use that space, and the rooftop eventually is going to be turned into like a deck, and so we need to kind of put it far away over in a corner, and the route to get there is a bit complicated, so it's a bit of a job, but you know, it's what you do. So I'll just give you a quick look at the rooftop here. It's not very big, but you know, I don't know, it's 3 meters by 5 meters, I think. No, 4 meters by 5 meters. So that's like what, 12 by 15 or 16, something like that. Not a bad size. And they're going to get a railing up here eventually. And the other thing they want me to do is they want me to take this aerial out because they don't watch TV and they have no use for it. There's the air con. It's going to go over there in that corner near that drain. Had to haul it up here with a rope from this third floor veranda. And here's the stairs that I have to use right now. Yeah, it's not so great. But eventually we want to build a set of stairs here. There'll be a landing here and then a set of stairs here that will lift up like a fire escape stairs. So that when they want to use the veranda down there, the stairs are up out of the way. When they want to use the balcony up here, the stairs are down and it has easy access. Climbing up and down these stairs is not the best thing you want to be doing, especially after a couple of beers. So here I got to come out of the hole there, and do a U-E and come straight up here where that tape is, and then I got to come down here. I got to go all the way along there and around there. Not so bad, but the going to be some tight bends here and there, so I brought my tube bender. And the other thing is, for whatever reason, the concrete in this house is rock freaking hard. I've already worn out or broken 3 drill bits. I don't know why, but I had this problem before. I did air conditioners here before, late last year, and just wears the bits right out. They're little 3.4 millimeter bits for like the concrete screws, you know, but it's just, don't know why. Anyways, kind of a vlog thing today. Here it's a weird day. It was raining in the morning, and then it was so sunny and hot I was getting sunburned. Now it looks like it's going to rain again. Anyways, that's just me. I'll check in with you again later and get some work done. Bye-bye. And I'm back. A little bit of blue sky. Rained a little bit of blue sky. It's sunny again. Boy, it took a long time to do this, I have to say. I'm quite surprised. Let's get here. And then all along here. And the air conditioner is going to sit like it'll of course be screwed down to the roof because we have typhoons here, but something like that. This took a long time. The concrete in this house is really, really hard. It just is. I brought a pack of drill bits that is 3.4 millimeter thick, just for the the little tech screws, the little concrete screws, and that. Those drill bits, I have broken 5 out of 6 of them. 2 of them have just completely worn out. The end of the little carbide or whatever tip that is on the concrete drilling bits actually just like wore around off and smooth, and a couple broke off. Other ones just did bits snapped. I'm using a very old drill. It's an old Hitachi. I've had this probably 25 years, and the chuck's worn out. I mean, it still works, but it's not a rotary hammer drill, it's just a hammer drill. Maybe it's time for a new drill. That'll be, got a birthday. Just had a birthday. Maybe I'll buy that for myself for my birthday. Anyways, this is coming along. I don't think I'm gonna get done today. Got a bit of a late start due to a few things. And now I gotta get her done. So anyways, I'm getting her done. Up here, all I gotta do is run the refrigerant, and once I run the refrigerant, then the refrigerant pipes or tubes and the electrical. But downstairs I still have to put a few more holes in a wall. Hopefully I'll do it with the last drill bit I have, and then all the conduit or cover or whatever you call this stuff will be done. They want this air conditioner in a bit of a weird spot because they're using this, they're eventually going to be using this space up here for you know, like a rooftop deck, and they don't want the air conditioner kind of in the way, and they didn't want it in the veranda on the 3rd floor because it's kind of in the way. I don't blame them. I mean, I can imagine up here on a beautiful spring, summer, or fall night, it'd be just wonderful to sit up here and enjoy the view and relax. So anyways, get back to it. Talk to you later. Really bright and sunny out here. Don't know how well this is going to work. The sun is kind of beating down at me. It's getting later in the afternoon, I guess 3 o'clock-ish. This is the veranda that I'm working on. It's not much of a veranda, so I think you can understand why they didn't want the air conditioner would have normally gone right there. It really kind of been in the way. Got their plants and stuff here, and there's a ladder. I'm gonna look into the sun here, unfortunately, and we want to get rid of that and build a landing there and put a set of stairs here, and then the stairs will lift up and down kind of like a fire escape. So when they're not using it, it's not in the way, but when they want to use the stairs, they can. I think it's a great idea. So this is where the air conditioner will come out of the wall there. You go down and do a loop-de-loo and go up there and around like I was showing you before. Whew. Have to say it's been a long day. It's been raining and sunny and windy, and I've broken 5 out of the 6 drill bits I brought. Oh man, the concrete in this building is hard as can be. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get some more done. Talk to you later.
A few moments later.
It's the next day on the job. I forgot my video camera, and my old iPhone takes lousy pictures and even worse videos. I ran all the refrigerant and electrical lines, and I mounted the head unit inside the 3rd floor bedroom. To make all the tight bends in this run, I used a tube bender. This works really great. On the roof, I had to do another set of fairly tight bends, and again the tube bender really saved my bacon. After that, it was all straight runs and was fairly easy to do. Next, moving on, I did all the flares and connected everything together, and then I started to vacuum down the refrigerant lines. They're about 10 meters long, so I let them vacuum for about 20 minutes, and then I leak checked them for another 20 minutes. Once it was all buttoned up, I have to say it was a very nice, clean install. The clients were pleased. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe.